We're going to take a look at student book page 65, and we're going to look at some problems about the ratio tables that Riley and Raymond made. And I'm actually going to review problem number 2, Raymond's ratio table, because you're going to do Riley's on your own. Okay, so looking at number 2, it says Raymond made a ratio table, but you can only see part of it. So we only have one part of his long ratio table that he made. What number did Raymond use to make his ratio table? So I'm going to look and see. I have 17, 18, 19, and 20 on this side. I have 306, 324, 342, and 360 on this side. And I'm just going to use some things that I know that I can kind of look at my basic facts here. 2 and 36. And I know that half of 36 is 18. So I think that 20 times 18 is 360. And I'm going to double check that. I'm going to say, well, let's see, 360 take away 18, or take 342 plus 18. It's going to give me 360. So I believe that my ratio table is for 18 because I know that 20 times 18 is going to give me 360 because 2 times 18 equals 36. All right, so I know for each of these I'm going to be going up 18. What is the 10th row? Okay, so here I have the 20th row, 19th, 17th, and I could just keep subtracting from 7, keep subtracting back 18 over and over again. But you know what? I have a 20 here. I know that 10 is half of 20. So the product of 20 and 18 is going to be half, or the product for 10 and 18 is actually going to be half of 360. You could also think, well, 10 times 18 is what's going to give me that answer. So I have two different options. So I can do, let's see, half of 360. Well, half of 36 is 18, so it's going to be 180. Or I could think 10 times 18 equals 180. So either one of those ways will give me 180 as the 10th row. Now, what is the 22nd row? The 22nd row, well, I have up to the 20th row. So the 22nd row is only going to be 2 more jumps. So I would have to add 18 to 360 and then add 18 again. So I could do 360 plus 18, which gives me 378, plus another 18, which is going to give me 386. So there's some different strategies that we can use to figure out which rows are missing. So you can use some of those same strategies up here when you're looking at Riley's ratio table. So here Riley made a ratio table, but you can only see part of it. Here you have row 9, 10, and 11. What number did she use? Use something that's simple for you to figure out which number she was using. Then what would the 13th row be? And what would the 5th row be?